Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So after some months, we are back again on the coverage of the dualization of Nkisi road. This is happening inside Nkwere. So Nkisi is an estate located in Nkwere, very close to Onitsha GRA. So we covered this particular route before Christmas, or should I say maybe before November, I think so. And today we are back again to this particular route to go and see what is currently happening over there. So what you are currently watching is entrance to the Nkisi, because the entrance from the gate is not being dualized, and the right hand side once you come into this Y junction is not also being dualized. So our left hand side, which you are currently seeing, is the one that is being dualized, heading towards the NTA and the transformer, and down to the phase 2 side of Nkisi. So this is the current looks of everything you have to know concerning this particular project. So this place has long been dualized and also asphalted. Even before the before the Christmas, it was dualized and asphalted since last year. We have been giving you the update since that last year when they asphalted, when they started, and also asphalted it. So but up to this moment, the only place that still remain asphalted were this area. Then at some point the stone base continues, and at some point again they started another asphalting along that new site, should I say. So within a short time you will be getting down to non-asphalted area, which you are currently seeing right now. You can see it over there. What you just watched is where the asphalting side ended, and all this place down to that NTA axis has not been asphalted. They have only received stone base, which you are currently seeing. But what we notice when we visited this time around is that the stone base has been extended down towards where the road has a kind of very sharp bending also. So they have extended that stone base towards that area, because at the initial time when we are coming around that last year, where the stone base ended was around that NTA, which you are currently seeing here right now. This is NTA office, and around this side is where this stone base ended the previous time. But right now you can see they have moved forward from here towards that angle where they have their sandboard. So they have extended the stone base. That is a nice thing, even though before the ending of last year when we are visiting, we noticed that it seems like the work was paused. Was paused around this area. They moved to another area, but this time around I think they are back on the track. But the stone base did not continue. Also, it ended somewhere down before that sharp bending where they have their samples. That is where the stone base currently end. So just stick around, or grab a cup of coffee, sit down, watch the video till the end to grab everything. So the road, like we have been saying, comes with drainage systems on the both side of it. It came with drainage system on the both sides of it. But one thing I have not noticed on this angle is walkways. I've not noticed any walkways on this angle. If they will still put walkways around here, I'm yet to know. But for now, there is no walkways. But I believe with this amount of space happening around here, I believe there will be walkways here, because the road is very wide to contain a walkway. So definitely there must be a walkway around this around here, so headed down. So very soon we also get to where they have started another asphalting, because the stone base ended somewhere around here, down, which you are seeing. If you look very well down below, you will see where the stone base ended, and they shifted a little and continue with the construction. So after this angle, we now shift and go back to where they have done another asphalting. That area has been completed inside around that phase 2. So that place has been completed. So very soon you're going to be seeing everything for yourself. So here's another area that has been asphalted. So last year when we are still visiting around this area, you can see from our previous video that this particular place was still under construction. The last time we visited was when they have already done stone base around here and also demarcated the road. So but this year when we visited back, the one you are watching right now, you can see that they have completed this particular angle. They have asphalted the area down to where it ended around here. Then the clearing of land and widening of space continues from at some point down to somewhere too. So around here, this particular road comes with a walkway. The asphalting has been completed, but the walkways and the demarcation is yet to be completed. So this is the only thing that has been completed around this area. But I think maybe the walkways and the demarcation will be completed maybe when the final work is done. Maybe when they are done with every other part, then the demarcation and the walkways will be completed. That is what I noticed. So over here, the road also comes with double drainage system by the both side. They have drainage system on the left and on the right, and the walkway also is on the left and on the right. It's a very tiny walkway that can contain only just one person comfortably. just one person comfortably moving. So that's the kind of walkway you have around here. So it's very tiny but can contain one person comfortably. So this is the looks of everything around here when we visited. So the last time we covered this road was if I'm not mistaken around the before November or inside November, like I said earlier. So this is the looks of thing, but one thing we are still noticing here is the quality of asphalting being done. That is our major concern over here. The project is a nice one, very very good, but the asphalting, honestly, something should be done. Honestly, something should be done. We can start repairing road in the next few years. Maybe in the next 2 to 3 years we start talking about repairing roads that we just built not more than 1 year 2 years ago. Isn't proper, honestly. So the road is very very fine and okay, but the asphalting is not the durability is still missing, like I used to say. And you know that this particular area is a newly developing site. This is phase 2 of Nkisi, and it's just a new developing site. Most of the completed residential buildings around here are yet to be occupied. Nobody is living there. So it's a newly developing area. So they need it because big motors like tipper and the rest of them do run around here to take sands to where they are constructing houses and the rest. So they are applying on this road, and definitely if it is not strong, they will definitely spoil the road. So honestly, we need to do better. We need to increase the quality of the asphalting where that is currently being done in all the roads in Anambra State. We need to increase the quality, essentially speaking. So this is just the looks of everything around here. So they are done with the asphalting and the drainage system, and also create the space for walkways, but yet to be completed, including the drainage system. This is one of the streets you can find around this area. So these are another major problems that will be fixed around here. You can see that other parts are still very clean, while around this junction is very dirty due to some other streets are yet to be maybe constructed, but the streets cannot be constructed. But I believe in due time all of them will be constructed, because this is an estate. Definitely they must construct all the streets to look nice and also look very very sweet, or maybe dimmy or something like you guys used to say. So this is the looks of everything. Very soon we're gonna be seeing the ending of this asphalting, which you are seeing over there. So by my right hand side, the is not where the dualization is taking place. The dualization is going towards this left hand side. That is where the dualization is going. So this is where they currently ended the asphalting, including the construction for now, while clearing continues from that my left hand side. You can see over here nothing else is going on here. So this is where we are coming from. This is where the asphalting headed down, like where we are coming from. And this particular area you are seeing right now is very very dirty due to the other road connecting to it has not been touched, has not been asphalted. Like I mentioned earlier, that all the major streets connecting to this road has not been touched, which I believe that they will be touched maybe in the future, but not this particular construction. So this is the area where the dualization will continue. So you can see that the clearing has already started down to where you have something like this particular junction we have here, a similar junction that we have here. The clearing stops at another junction where you will see this kind of thing. So you can see that they have cleared this place, and no building was touched. Actually, no building and no wall or anything was touched here, maybe the space I'm seeing here will contain the dualization. Let's just keep our fingers crossed and keep watching and see how it goes. So this is the looks of things around here. This is the looks of things. So there is a one particular church, a Catholic church or maybe monastery around this area which you are currently seeing. So it's along this road. So guys, I think you guys need to subscribe to my channel because we are trying to get to 6k subscribers, please, before the end of this January. I'm begging you guys, and thank you for always supporting us. So very soon we'll get to that Y junction or T junction, as you may call it. So guys, this is where we're gonna be ending the video for today. So by my right hand side is where we are coming from, while by my front I think is where the dualization is going to. So let me turn around and flip the camera and show you where we are coming from right now, where the dualization is taking place. Once you get to that ending where the asphalting currently stops, you take your left hand side, then headed down to this place where we are standing right now. Here is like a roundabout, so where I'm standing you can see it. Let me flip the camera and show you. So this is where the asphalting with the dualization will take. Then this is where we are coming from. This side is where we are coming from. Then this is where my camera was facing before when I was speaking to you guys. This is where I was facing. So if you check it, it's like you know, should I say T junction or Y junction, any of them. So this place is like roundabout. So this is where the dualization is going, and this is where the dualization is coming from. So thank you guys for watching, and till we meet again.